rolling through time to learn. Dino facts on track, let's go. Dino facts, rolling through the jungle tracks. Learn a little, roar a lot. Let's see what the dinos taught. Stegosaurus had plates on back, but not for battle or attack. They helped it show or warm up fast. A walking tank from the distant past. Velociraptor, small and smart, not like movies play the part. With feathers light and claws so quick, it hunted in a clever trick. Dino facts, rolling through the jungle tracks. Learn a little, roar a lot. Let's see what the dinos taught. Dino facts, rolling through the jungle tracks. Learn a little, roar a lot. Let's see what the dinos taught. Tyrannosaurus, king of bite, could smell its prey both day and night. But those small arms, they weren't so grand, still ruled the land with tooth and stand. Triceratops, with horns so wide, had a frilly shield on either side. It likely used its mighty head to charge or show off strength instead. Some dinos